All right. Good morning and welcome back to the New York Live. It is 8 a.m. Eastern now, and also good afternoon and good evening to others who are joining from different region actually. And let's get started off discussing a few charts here. I've got Bitcoin on a standby. Let me open that. I haven't done anything from what we discussed in the last session. The boundary is intact. The Fibonacci retracement 61.8% also bearing an engulfing bearish pattern now. You know what it is. We are just beginning discussing that, and we've done that now. Engulfing bearish at a 61.8%. It is a clear cut wave 1, wave 2. Whether it's going to drop 5 waves or not, we don't know that. Let's not speculate on that, but at least a 61.8% extension of the initial drop can be expected, and that comes, if you should not be surprised. I mean, it comes all the way on to 6,000 levels. Whether you are trading, I mean, even if you take a small lot at the 0.01 on your MT4, it doesn't carry much margin or risk actually. It is actually about a point, I suppose. $1 a point, sorry. There you are, 5,500 levels, the 61.8%. Forget about the 161.8%. Alright, so trading point of view, selling on rally still remains very much on cards. We have sold from two levels. The average sell price is around the same price right now, 15,800, and the stop loss on the risk goes above 20,000 levels. All right, so that was Bitcoin. Let's move on to the every instrument that we have discussed, and we have got trading instrument interest, including the Euro, USD, the pound, dollar index. they are not moving much, but at least even without much volatility and participation, look how sometimes the waves are working out so perfect. If you were there with me in the last few sessions, we were discussing about Euro USD potentially testing the 1900 handle again. That's what it has exactly done. It might pip a bit higher. It is actually good for us. The next 24 to 48 hours, the more these guys remain on the top side of the trading range, and the more dollar index I'm talking about, on the lower side of the trading range, it is it is better for us. Coming Monday or Tuesday, fresh trends are expected to push through the desired direction that we've been talking about. I want to discuss a few. We have been discussing these charts lately, but we want to touch base on the oscillators this session. They were Euro USD, the RSI is testing resistance around 64.65. Okay, we want to go through all of them. MACD is flat. And look at that GBP USD, the last wave E, again a triangle within a triangle, or just following the larger triangle, but sideways action continues in pound. All right, look at the RSI, brothers. 65, 66. Again approaching the resistance zone. Good levels to go short right now. I just sent out all active trade setups on the telegrams for those who are joining fresh and have not traded. Uh, they can. It's a good place or good price to initiate trades towards the desired direction that we had been talking about. And also a warm welcome. I see there is steady but constant growth in the number of subscriptions on our channel. Is a good sign. Our family is growing, slow but steady. So welcome all of you, and thank you all for your supports. And I hope it's all because of you're spreading the word, because I'm not doing anything else except taking the sessions here for you. Alright, so pound wave 1 intact, wave A, B, C, D, and could be E. Whatever it is, the consolidation continues. Alright. Resistance at 35.50, direction lower towards 1.3 and 1.28. Sorry. Dollar index has found support right at the trend line, I suppose. Let's find out. Did you see that? So finally, I think it has completed a zigzag. Not a flat, I mean 335. Sorry, it's a 535. A zigzag complete now. A bullish reversal here is anticipated any moment. It can come today as well. Doesn't matter whether the volumes are low or volatility is less, but if it has to reverse, it has to reverse, right? Watch out for 95 and 98. This is the main reason why I sent out all the active trades, just to refresh everything here. I have a sense that the charts are indicating a quick rebound on all the instruments that we have been trading interest into. Alright, specifically on the oscillators as well. I'm going to take some time to show you that as well, so that we are all in the same plane why we are trading these instruments. And there you are. You see that RSI hovering around the 30 mark. Okay, next the gold. If you were there with me in the last session, UK live, we were discussing about a potential RSI has reversed from 77.80 levels. That's fine, but even with respect to the price, okay, our stop loss was around the 12.90 mark, right? And we were expecting 1285 to be the last level of Fibonacci retracement, the 78.6% of the entire boundary. It is fine. It just went a bit higher towards 86.35 before reversing lower. Now we are on a 4-hour chart, and around 3 hours from now, this candle which is producing will be complete. Okay, please watch out. If you are, I think we should have an evening star when this existing candle or the current candle closes. That gives us a clear case study of the boundary which is being worked upon, and 786 retracement with an extension lower towards 1200 levels. Now, what is the kind of pattern that it has produced? Even if it cannot be an impulse, it's all three waves here, that is making wave 1, that is wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, again 3 waves down, wave 5. We are looking towards an ending diagonal structure in gold. Well, that's not the case. So trading point of view, remain short with the stop just around the 1290 mark with the target. It's slightly difficult to believe 1200 levels right now, but that's what the charts are showing. Sorry for a bad cough. Silver, again wave 1, 2, 3 and 4, no change here with the direction of the fifth wave pushing towards 1550 and lower. And crude oil, which we went short today morning during the Asia live, has just begun to react from the 60 mark. You never know, that could be still wave 4, and wave 5 can push towards 6150 as well. But even in anticipation of that, we went short around the 60 mark with a stop about 6250 and target quite a bit lower. Even if you're a huge swing trader, I mean, you'll be seeing at least 50% reduction in prices in the coming months. Alright, so all the trades that we have done, mostly they are testing their resistance and support respectively. Kindly have your trading instincts in check for the next 48 hours. We don't need to do anything else except remain in the trade, and I mean that's nothing else to be done actually. Okay, please hold on to your trades, and once again let's bring this session to a pause. Thank you again for joining. Don't forget to get subscribed in the channel, and if you're an active trader, get on to the Telegram channel as well if you like, at t.me/Japee. If you're liking, press the like button as well and spread the word. That's what I'm asking from you, nothing else, right? Thank you so much. I'll be back again in about 45 minutes with the second story, and that is the rules of the game, and we'll discuss about supports and resistance today. All right, today and tomorrow. Until then, good luck to your trades, and please take care and God bless, brothers and sisters. Goodbye.